Welcome back, affiliate marketers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram to make money through affiliate marketing. Okay, Instagram is a perfect platform to drive traffic to your Facebook page, to your blog, to wherever you are hosting your affiliate links. You can even use Instagram as the platform to host your affiliate link, and I'll show you how to do that. I'll show you how to make money affiliate marketing through Instagram and then automating your business. So one of the pages that I actually consulted with the person who owns this page, when we search Golden State Warriors, we see a lot of different pages, okay? We see a bunch of fan pages, and this is something that you can do. I recommend getting into the, sports niche because there's a lot of affiliate programs that pay high commissions for sports. And if you love sports, if you're a football person, basketball, MMA, soccer, whatever it is, you can definitely build a fan page and monetize it. You can even, if you don't want to build that audience yourself, you can even purchase a fan page that someone isn't, utilizing for affiliate marketing, like this one right here, Golden State Warriors. Right here, this person isn't utilizing an affiliate link. It's just kind of a Instagram news website. There's other ones on here. It's Fans Golden State. This one has 0 links in the description. So this person is not utilizing affiliate marketing. You can reach out to people for whatever sports team you want to do and offer them, a sum of money to buy their page if you don't want to build your own page. But if you don't have any money at first, this is the best way to do it. Start a fan page for, any different type of sport. Doesn't even have to be a sport. It could be your niche that you're doing, whether it's fitness, video games, health and nutrition, whatever it may be. I want you to make an Instagram page around your niche. Once you do so, we're going to take a look at this one right here. I consulted with the person that owns this page. He is utilizing an affiliate link, and I'll show you why this is so crucial. So he has a great page, 55,000 followers. When we go down, he gets pretty good engagement, a little bit over 10%, which is great. 5 to 10% engagement is very high. Anywhere from 2 to 5% is probably where you're going to be shooting. But this person has a page with a lot of followers, and he is utilizing an affiliate link, nba.com/store. And I'll show you where to get that affiliate program. Okay, so you can build a page, Golden State Warriors fan page, update people on, what's going on with the team, right? Update people on, really good photos, and then you could, shout out some specials that are going on the NBA store, right? Or if a game is coming up, you can do a giveaway, or you can say, get your gear for this upcoming game if you're in California or wherever they're playing. I would do that, okay? And I'm going to show you where to get your affiliate link from. So if we go on to NBA affiliate program, okay, we search that on Google, you're going to come here and it says affiliate links NBA store. Perfect, okay? We're going to click on that, and you can sign up for their affiliate program where they give you, I believe it's 10%. Yep, 10% commission rate. Cookie duration is 20 days on all products except gift cards. So this is a good way to drive traffic, right? People that are highly interested in, the Golden State Warriors, take those fans, right? Give them good content, post good photos of the Golden State Warriors, and then drive them to your affiliate link. They're going to buy gear on NBA.com anyways, right? But if you get in front of these people with your link, you're going to get commission. These are people that, spend hundreds of dollars on jerseys, hats, whatever memorabilia it may be. That's fine. They're going to spend money no matter what. But if you can't get your link in front of them, then, you're not going to get any commission, and NBA store is going to get 100% of it. So I'm going to show you how to actually steal that traffic from the Golden State Warriors, because there's no better place to go to to get free traffic. There's no better place to get free traffic than the actual Golden State Warriors page, right? These 7 million followers love the Golden State Warriors. They love the Golden State Warriors so much that they're buying their jerseys, they're buying t-shirts, they're buying hats, they're buying shoes, they're buying anything that has to do with the Golden State Warriors. These 7 million people. So how do you get these 7 million people to go onto your link, to go onto your affiliate link? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So what I would do is we're going to go back to our homepage on our phone. You're going to download an app called Captivate. It's on the bottom of the phone right here on third row over. It's called Captivate. You're going to download that in the App Store. Okay, you're going to press on it, Captivate. You're going to log in. Okay, it's going to log you in. Let's just pretend we have that Golden State Warriors page with 50,000 followers and an affiliate link in the description. Right? You can either put your affiliate link in the description or lead them to your blog, right? Your blog site about the Golden State Warriors. Either way is good. The only reason it would be better to lead them to your Facebook page or your blog site is maybe you can collect their email, right? And then upsell them on something else. But if you just want to automate fast affiliate sales, this is the best way. Put the link in your description for your NBA store, right? And then I want you to go to search, and I want you to search for Golden State Warriors. Okay. All right, and Golden State Warriors right there. So now we're on the Golden State Warriors page, okay? What you're going to do is click on their 7 million followers. You're going to click on the 7 million right there. Click on that, and it's going to show you all their followers, okay? And once it's done processing, it's going to show you all their followers. 200 are loaded right here in the bottom right-hand corner. You could see that 200 are loaded. We're just going to scroll down and load it again, okay? Okay, so we scrolled down, it loaded again. Now we have 400 people, well, 399 on the bottom right-hand corner. That's 399 people that recently just followed Golden State Warriors. So these people are active on Instagram, right? They're new, they're fresh to the page. What we want to do is then press quick select all. So you're going to select all 399 actions, and you're going to go to follow, okay? Follow. But I don't want you to press start now because, having these automation tools can, you can be at risk for getting your profile blocked, and we don't want that. So I want you to add it to pending actions, okay? And we're going to add these people the slow way, and I'll show you how, just so, so we don't get our profile blocked or anything like that. You won't have any trouble if you follow these steps, okay? Now we're going to press back again, and I want you to press on settings at the bottom right-hand corner, okay? Settings, and now I want you to press pending night mode, okay? And once we're on night mode, this is going to execute whatever action we say. So we said that we want to follow 399 people that recently followed Golden State Warriors. I would set it to 90 seconds is the safest. That's like, if you want to be safe and you don't want your Instagram profile blocked, I would suggest 90 seconds is best, okay? Then, you're going to just press start, okay? And once you start that, it's going to start executing those actions. Every 90 seconds, it's going to start following one person at a time. And you'll notice by the end of the day, after you followed these 550 people, you're going to have tons of new followers. You're going to have tons of new messages and DMs in your inbox. And you're going to have multiple people that have clicked on your affiliate link in your description, okay? Or if it's not your affiliate link, right? Like if you can't get an affiliate link that leads directly to the product or the item and you want to lead them to your blog or Facebook page, you're going to see tons of people that have clicked on your link. And I'll show you where to check that as well. Okay, so we're just going to stop this. And you could just run this, as long as you want. When it says errors, when errors come up, like if it says one error, that's when I would stop it, because that means Instagram actively stopped your automation tool. So when that happens, just stop it. Don't worry. I've had multiple errors. Nothing has happened. But after one, I usually just stop it. I wait a few hours before I start this up again. Okay. And these are tools to automate those people clicking on your link, right? All you have to make sure you're doing is posting valuable content, uploading some Insta stories, just being active on your page in order to get more engagement. Okay. So we're going to go back. I'm going to show you real quick, and make sure that you set up a business profile on Instagram, right? And when you go here, and this is just my page, when you go here, you're going to click at the right top right hand corner on those bars. And when you click there, you're going to see how many impressions you've gotten, right? Every day. This is daily. You're going to see how many people you reach, how many profile views, and how many website clicks. This is most important, right? I got 63 clicks yesterday. It usually refreshes at midnight every day. So 63 clicks is not bad. If I had an affiliate link in my profile, that would be, 63 people that went and checked out my NFL or NBA memorabilia, right? That might purchase my product. You get 10%. If it's $100 jersey, you're getting $10 per person, right? So that adds up real quickly. And if you can build your Instagram page, your fan page or your blog page, whatever it may be, whatever your niche is, make sure to have that niche. Build that page up, automate it through Captivate. I hope that you take this into account. What I want you to do at the end of this exercise is go ahead and set up your Instagram page for your niche, right? And then I want you to make sure you switch to a business profile, which you can do up here. You'd go to the settings button, that little toggle under following, the circle, scroll down and switch to a business account, where it says switch to personal account right here, but it'll say switch to business account. I want you to switch to a business account. Put your affiliate link in the bio of your Instagram, and then start automating your following through Captivate. And I want you to pick at least one or two people to start stealing traffic from, okay? This is the best way to get affiliate sales. So do the exercise and then go ahead and post in the Facebook